welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna make this type of pose in Canva. So let's begin. So first of all, you're gonna go over here and you're gonna change your background color to somewhat like this much. Alright. And you're gonna go in your elements panel and you're gonna search for a core ring. You're gonna go in the photos. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna pick this one right here. Gonna Begginer remove it. Gonna resize it the way you want in your post. Just a little resize it like this. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna make a duplicate of it and gonna flip it vertically and you're gonna put it like this. And you're gonna change its transparency to 15. And then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna search for lemon. You're gonna be still in the photos panel. You're gonna pick this lemon right here, resize it the way you want, and again make a duplicate of it, flip it vertically like this, and you're gonna just move it a little bit down. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna decrease this transparency to like this. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna search for a blue glow like this. You're gonna go in the graphics panel. You're gonna take this one right here. You're gonna increase it the way you want. And then you're gonna move it backwards. You can even make a duplicate like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this one right here for another effect. I'm gonna increase the size, put it like this, and move it backwards. I'm gonna go to show layers. I'm gonna put it ahead of this glow like this. It's looking nice up till now. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for water splash like this, and then you're gonna enter it, and then you're gonna take this one right here. I'm gonna increase its size like this, and then I'm gonna move it backward like this. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna search for lemon again. You're gonna go in the photos. You're gonna pick this one right here. You're gonna resize it and put it like this randomly in your product post, like literally random. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna search for a leaf. I'm gonna pick this one right here, and I'm gonna decrease its size. I'm gonna rotate this one like this. Alright, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the image and go on edit option. You're gonna go again to the blur. I'm gonna blur to 70. Okay, now I'm gonna do this all and I'll come back to you. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna search for water fleck like this. I'm gonna go into graphics panel. You're gonna click on this. You're gonna change the color to full white like this. And you're gonna just do it like this and you're gonna bring it somewhat like this. Alright. So this is our final result. Hope you love this video. So meet you in the next video. Bye bye.